Hi, this is Carl. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. The other day I was at Costco and I found this item. Purchased it and thought I'd give an honest review on it. Let me give you a closer up look at this. Porter cable, 120 volt LED light. I'm looking for the 5,000 lumens. Thought it was a pretty neat little light right here. Let me show you the features that it has. Here's the light right here. It's pretty, you can see the size of this thing. Here's a little remote control. So you can see about the average size of this thing. Has a nice carry handle on top. And right here on the side, you can loosen this up. Open it up. Let's tighten that back down. And these side lights flip out. Not do they only flip out, you can use them at any angle. And they also rotate. Stands pretty good, no issues with it standing and falling over. I'm pretty pleased with this thing. Pretty pleased with it. Oh, it has a USB connector. It has a 3-pronged outlet right here. So, let me plug this in and show you how bright this thing is. Let me unwind this strap right here. Now everybody, somewhere along the line, needs a good light. And this is a good light. Outside in the garage, working on your car, working on your motorcycle, doing a little bit of woodworking, or just need it for your porch. Add some little bit of extra light when you're outside with your wife or your friends and having a beer outside. Now the only thing I don't like about it is this cord is not very long. I believe it's a 4-foot cord. Let me plug this thing in. Okay, it has a 2-stage on and off switch. Here we go. This is one. That's 2. So it has 2 different levels of brightness. So I'm going to turn off my overhead light right here and show you how bright this thing is. Here we go. I'm going to shine it away from you so it doesn't get in your eyes. This is the low. There we go. Now that's high. That's low. So I'm going to point it up. There we go. The whole room is lit up. You can see that my floor down there. I'll point it down. There you go. Let's put on the other setting. There we go. Still has the home room lit up. Sorry about it. I don't mean to shine it into the camera, but anyway, I'm very pleased with this thing. When I bought this, I immediately got home and searched on YouTube. Excuse me, I turn my light back on. Let me turn this off. I didn't search on YouTube. I searched on eBay and on Amazon. And when I bought this, this was going anywhere from $70 to $80. I bought it at Costco for $39, but now you can find them on eBay for around the same price, depending on the seller. If you need a good light, check these out. I'm very, very happy with it. No issues at all. Let me close this up. Fold it back down. You can see how compact it is. So, Porter cable, 120 volt LED, 5000 lumen, portable, corded LED work light. $40. I don't think you go wrong with it. I'll give you another closer up. If you'd like to pause this and check out the writing on here. There we go. This side. It says it swivels. The two side lights swivel to 300 degrees. There's the bottom. The only thing I don't see is a part number. 3-year warranty right here on the top. Oh, here we go. Right here on the barcode. Item number 1600203. There we go. Nice light. I'm going to enjoy using this. Check it out if you have a chance. I'm sure Costco still has them. They were on the display. We could touch them, feel them, turn them on, turn them off. Check it out. Very well built. My name's Carl, and I do appreciate